Post-traumatic stress disorder, or PTSD, can affect every aspect of life, including tasks like managing important documents. PTSD disrupts cognitive functions like memory, focus, and decision-making, making organizing feel overwhelming. But there are ways to make this process more manageable. Start small by breaking tasks into manageable steps. Focus on one type of document at a time, like medical or financial records. Prioritize urgent items first, such as bills or upcoming appointments. Setting realistic goals can create sustainable habits over time. Technology can simplify document management. Trustworthy helps organize important records securely, offering features like automated document summaries, auto-filing, and secure storage. This can make the process seamless, so managing documents is no longer a burden. Consider scanning important files into secure digital storage to reduce the visual clutter that can cause stress. Consistency is key. Schedule regular check-ins, weekly or monthly, to stay on top of new and updated documents. Establish simple routines, like sorting papers right after receiving them. Don't hesitate to seek support from trusted friends, professional organizers, or PTSD coaches trained to guide the process compassionately. Create a calming workspace. Choose a quiet, comfortable area free from distractions. Personalize it with items that bring you comfort. Finally, remember to celebrate every small win. Each task completed is progress toward a less stressful, more organized life. Managing important documents while living with PTSD is challenging, but achievable. Remember that you're not alone in this battle. PTSD is a complex and often debilitating condition, affecting people in different ways physically and emotionally. The National Center for PTSD estimates that 6% of Americans will have PTSD at some point in their lives. With the right strategies, tools, and support, you can create a system that works for you, one step at a time. Visit Trustworthy to learn more about how the family operating system can support you on your journey to better organization.